Recording. Then now we will going to discuss the vital role of recording your trades. A bodybuilder has a journal to track his diet, weight, and strength. A scientist has a journal to track their latest discoveries, findings, and results of experiments. A racer has a journal to track his records to be able to create a plan how to beat it. A businessman has a journal to track how his business is performing. And its same goes to trading. Most traders don't have a trading journal or don't even know what it is. Hindi nila alam yung halaga ng pagkakaroon nito. A trading journal is a vital tool used to find edge in the market so you can become consistently profitable. It's like a diary of your trading activities. Kung tatanungin niyo ko, a trading journal is a deciding factor of whether you'll be a profitable trader or just a mere loser in the market. Kaya kapag wala ka niyan, you'll just end up losing. Why? Kasi you never track the reason why you are winning or why you are losing. You never know what are your strengths or what are your weaknesses is. You never know what strategies really work or what is not. It allows you to look back at your past trades and identify which pattern generate money and which are just costing you to lose. Then, how do you create a tracking journal? First is to identify the same figures that we have during planning. The date the stock is bought or sold, stock code, overall market, trade objective, trade mastery, entry point, exit point, cut loss point, allocation. During planning, pwede nyo ilagay directly sa trading journal yung mga yan. Note that you remember things better when you write it down, unlike keeping it on your mind. However, it's not enough because it doesn't dig deep into the factors that affect your performance, like your emotions and analysis of the market. Kaya in order to get a full picture of the factors that drive your performance, you need to include the following on your journal. Percent gain or loss, amount gain and loss, base hold or duration, time frame, win or lose trade, trade setups used, reason for entry, reason for exit, remarks, chart, and error assessment. For the error assessment, you need to determine if the error is as follows: early entry, late entry, early exit, late exit, unnecessary trade, wrong position size, wrong trade setup, fear of missing out, lack of focus, no plan or rules, greed, internet failure, or platform failure. Every time you execute a stock in your watch list, journal the experience. You'll have a solid framework to measure your trading performance, which you'll be able to monitor continually. Have you ever heard the 21-90 rule? It states that it takes 21 days to make a habit and 90 days to build a lifestyle. You need to enjoy the habit of creating a journal and allow it to be included into your trading lifestyle. Yes, it could be tedious. Mahirap talaga sa una, pero pag nasanay ka na, madali na lang. Tandaan, it could be the deciding factor whether you win or lose on this game of uncertainty.